Great Comfort Foundation is a platform where children of all ages learn the basic knowledge of all aspects of life's journey. Academics, life skills, social life, finances, and many more. Join us today and learn more.
Hello, children! Today we're going to dive into the wonderful world of Valentine's Day to find out why it's so special. It's a day full of hugs, kisses, and making the people we care about feel extra happy. As we all know, Valentine's Day is a special day to celebrate love. Love can be found in many places, with family, friends, and even our favorite toys. Today, we'll explore how love makes our world a wonderful place. Look around. Hearts are everywhere on Valentine's Day. They're on cards, decorations, and even on the clothes we wear. Can you find the hearts in your room? Let's count them together. One of the sweetest things about Valentine's Day is giving and receiving hugs and kisses. We all love a warm hug from mommy or daddy, don't we? It's a special day to show how much we care about each other. Valentine's Day is also a time for making and sharing friendship cards. Let's get creative and make our own cards to give to our friends. It's a way of telling them how much they mean to us. Who's your best friend, little ones? Today, let's spread love all around. We can share our toys, help each other, and say kind words. Remember, even the smallest act of kindness can make someone's day brighter. So little pals, Valentine's Day is all about spreading love and joy. Whether it's making colorful cards or enjoying tasty treats, it's a time to make everyone feel special. Happy Valentine's Day, sweethearts. It's a day to appreciate the special people in our lives. That's it for today's video. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe for more of our videos. Thank you.